Hello, stream. Oh, I forgot to announce it. Let me announce the stream real quick. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. There we go. Welcome, stream. Welcome, stream. Should I tweet it? I should probably tweet it. You know what? Nah, I don't care. I won't bother. Hello, stream. Welcome to Bobo. We are gonna Bobo. Let me show you what we've done. I'm actually gonna change the... I won't change anything. We'll just start. We will. I can just manually mute my music whenever I need to. So I've made a couple small changes. This menu looks a little bit different, and the characters have... Ouch! Oh, you've pat me. Oh, thank you. Menu looks a little bit different. The characters have little descriptions, which is fun. And there's also a starting room. So now this is the entrance to the tower right here. And then you continue or begin your journey from here. And so the first room is always this bottom center. And so I think that'll be kind of fun to see like where you end up going throughout all the floors. Like maybe you'll come back here, go out to a corner or something. That'll be fun. And then I have some new sounds. So let me move this guy. Listen to that. It's a big explosion. And then there's a clank, which I've yet to test. Let's test that. Let's do object ghost. Welcome, stream. Welcome, stream. If I spawn some ghosts, move them around. That's a bit high-pitched. I kind of like it, though. I kind of like the noise, if I'm being honest. It's kind of a fun noise. Okay, I like it. Is this game going to be on Steam? It will be. You can wishlist it right now. Oh, also, Splinter View has... Is it still in the title? It is. Splinter View and... Oh, yikes! You have thrown bits on me.
Hi, Misty. How are you?
Hello, I am good. How are you? Splinter View had a deadline extension. So we now have until the 7th to order my card game if you're interested in my card game. And you are. You are. You are. So you want to buy it right now. So thank you. You can do card game or scroll down to below the stream. What was I doing? I was lowering the sound of the clink. Change that to 2. I think it was a bit loud. So that should be fine. And then I'm kind of at an interesting predicament where my list of bugs to fix is now empty. So that's interesting. There is no longer any bugs to fix. So it is all new content, unless there's stuff I forgot about or like hasn't properly been fixed, but everything should be fixed. But what I would like to do, starting now, is make the alternate shopkeeper. Because right now you can find the shop like this, but I want there to be a chance to find a different shop. Look at all the lines of code. Wow, wow. Okay, so in here, let's do... Yikes. Okay, so I'm trying to remember how I did this. It's kind of sloppy because it was very rough coded just to get it working. Why are you shooting me? But let's see. Okay, I want to use the same object. But what if I don't actually? What if we make a variable called shop type. And then we make an enumerator. We'll go down like here. Sure. Enum shop type. And we will make it normal and special. Those will be the types of shops. So now the default here, we will make this an expression, and it will be shop type dot normal. Okay. So now whenever we spawn the shop person, we can choose which type of shop it is. Okay. And so we're going to need to handle that up here. Okay, so this is what changes it to BB. And then we can do if, oh, here we go. Shop type is equal to shop type, whoops, type dot normal, whoops, normal, and the character is Baba, then make it BB. But if the shop type is special and the character is equal to Bobo, we will make it BB. And then, how do I want to do this? Okay, so even better logic right here. Whoops. Bam. We will set the sprite index equal to Bobo down, and then BB. Okay, so now if the shop type is normal, I guess by default the sprite is Baba. If the shop type is normal and you're playing as Baba, change it to BB. However, if the shop type is special, make it Bobo. But if it's special and you're Bobo, make it BB. Does that make sense? Everybody follow BB Bobo with Baba. Everybody on the same page? Everybody on the same page? Got it. All right. I'm glad we all understand. So next, let's see. So this should be a switch statement. Probably. We'll deal with the text later. So what these are is it decides the sprite. It waits 2 ticks or 2 frames, whatever you want to call it, for other stuff to process, and then it runs this alarm down here, which sets the possible dialogue options it can say whenever you enter the shop, and then makes the items. I don't remember why I needed a buffer. I probably should have written it down, but we need it, so I put it there. Hello, chat. Hello. I'm gonna turn my light on. I think my VTuber is being weird. Yikes! It's so bright. I'm so bright. Help. It's so bright in my eyes. Maybe I should lower it. It's fine, whatever. All right, so now let's set the starting room to shop. This will be the shop. And then maybe we don't want this variable here. Yeah, we still need it to be a default. Let's do if not random range 0 to 8, let's say. Shop type equals, whoops, shop type dot special. So now, or 7, sorry. This picks a random number between 0 and 7, and if it's 0, it does this. So we have a 1 in 8 chance to make it a special shop over a normal shop. You're making music tracks inspired by Bobo? That's awesome. Thank you. Okay, let's try this and just see what happens. Oh. What did I miss? Oh, I did double equals. Whoops. Miwo, miwo, miwo. All right. The first room will be this entry, and then the rest should be shops. It is Bobo. It is Boo Boo. Okay, let's see. I did raise the chances. Okay, Baba. Okay, so it is properly working. So let's do... We want room type to be special. Global dot room color equals... I don't have a pink palette, do I? Okay. Let's open a sprite. Let's make a pink palette for Boo Boo. We're gonna do probably this yellow at the top, pink, magenta, weird purple. Okay, I accidentally didn't turn off contiguous. Okay, that looks fine. That looks good. Miwo! Probably the only thing you understand. The code looks advanced. The code is very simple, do not worry. Okay, we need to go to shaders? Yes, okay. Oh, we also need to go to enumerators. We need... Where'd it go? I just saw it. Here it is. Let's do after yellow, let's add pink. We can now make a pink color map. This will be pink. And then what I'm gonna do is color pick the color and then copy over these RGB values is all I'm doing. So let's make these like this. The first one is 866101. Second one is 164.23.166. And if you're trying to do something similar to this ever, the RGB disappears in Sprite when you leave it, but if you leave it on a different monitor and then just move your mouse over it, the window stays open. So that's how I trick the program. This will be 247.165.203, and then this is probably the same as this, I think, which is 255.246.209. Yep, that was the same. Okay. Do not save. See, you guys get it. So now we can do color map dot pink. And now those rooms should be pink. Okay, so we have a Baba room, Baba room, Baba room, regenerate. Unlucky chances here. They're all 1 in 3. Baba. Baba again. Boo Boo. It did not change the room color though. Hello, Boo Boo. Why did the room color not change? Huh. Trying to think of what that would be. Not floor data, no. It would be tower data. Let's do dot green. Where am I setting this at? Let's do... Here we go. Room specifics, okay. Interesting. Okay, yeah, so this is if the floor color is green, change the shop to be red so it's not the same. How'd you guess in streaming? Welcome! You are blue, you are blue. We can close this. Why is this not changing it? What if I make it always happen? What does that do? Probably nothing. Nope. Interesting. Okay. Where's room specifics run at? Right here. And load from grid. Okay, so I'm loading it before the room. Okay. So how do I want to handle that? Yeah, I gotta do it before the room sprite is built. Okay, so here's shop. Okay, for shop type equals instance. All right, we'll do shop.normal and then with obj shopkeeper, shop type equals shop type. Okay, maybe this will do something. And so if we make this always be true, then when we debug this, it should say special here. My time is 6 hours behind you. No! Oh, what's... Oh, I'm stupid. Shop type dot normal. There we go. That makes more sense. No. Okay. So this should be special. Try 1. That's special. Okay. Perfect. Then we'll just have to handle it here instead of in the object, which is annoying, but whatever. Okay. So let's just start over. We'll do global.roomColor equals, or we'll just do a variable. Variable room color equals color map dot green. Whoops, green. That's the default shop color. And then if shop type is equal to shop type dot normal, we'll do the following code. Whoops. This new GameMaker coding thing is nice but weird. Okay, so we'll do if global dot floor color is equal to color map dot green, then room color is equal to color map dot red. So if the floor is already green, then we will change the shop color to not be green so that it's not all the same color. And then we'll do if, how did we test it? Current character is equals. Whoops. We'll do, I can just do global, it's fine. Global dot current character is equal to character dot Baba. Room color is equal to, do I want to change it for BB? Sure, we'll make it color map dot pink. Why not? Just for now. And then we'll do else. We'll do room color is equal to color map dot pink. And then if we are Bobo, then we want it to be, I guess I'll just leave it pink for now until we make one for BB. Bobo and Baba, and so true, so true. Let me make a purple color palette now for BB shop. Let's do this. this is probably gonna be the highest color. And then we'll just keep moving down. Ah, I see, okay. So I should make it this color, here. Maybe like that. It's a little weird. Yeah. I can just double down on the dark. Actually, the blue works. The blue works. Okay, this will be BB palette. It's a little weird, but it's like a rare thing, so that's fine. Bobo mention! The colors change when the pixels do. Correct. So let's get our shaders back. Oh, we also need our enums. We need purple color. Purple color. Okay. So the first color. Can we do this? First color is 142153. Second color is 866101. Whoops. I somehow selected the whole line. Third color is what do I have it selected? Okay. 144, 49, 202. Ouch! Ouch! Why are you throwing these at me? Stop! Help!
234,567,890 silly coins, guys.
We do not need that many, but also thank you so much for the bits. I don't even know what bits are or what they do, but thank you. I know it is money. You have only 21 minutes in this time. Yay! Okay, so now we have Orpal. So if it's ever BB time, the shop will be Orpal. And so we can get rid of the color map stuff here. And this can just be one line. That's fine. I'll give it a 50-50 chance for testing. Your fortune is growing. Okay. So sprite index is Baba. If the shop type is normal and you're playing as Baba, make it BB. If the shop type is special, make it Boo Boo. And if it's special and you're playing as Boo Boo, make it BB. Okay, that should be right. Your fortune is growing. Ooh. All right, let's give it a try. It's blue. Why is it blue? What? I don't understand. This is what I just made, isn't it? Purple. What? Oh, I'm stupid. Okay. Global dot room color equals whoops. Room color. I have to actually assign the colors. That would make sense. Okay. Now it's pink. Look at this. It is Boo Boo. Wow, it is Boo Boo. Hello, Boo Boo. You are very popular today, it seems. The little map? Yeah, it's very important. They are all Boo Boo. Why are they all Boo Boo? Did I do something? Did I make them all Boo Boo? I did. Okay. I forgot. We need some Baba. Okay, there is Boo Boo. And there is Baba. Wow. Oh, it's changing on load. It's random. Okay. I think. Is it? Or just Baba always have a chance to change? I think that is the case. So we'll do... I want to change has spawned. That's a stupid thing. What have I been naming it? first spawn is false. I think that first spawn is just easier to understand. Okay. Got it. Pink Baba room. So now we will do alarm 0 equals 2, and then if not first spawn, return, and then we need to flip the logic for this because it's weird. So first spawn is true, and then apply variables. If not first spawn, do that. Why did I do it like this? This is much easier. Okay, so this should work properly now, and save the stuff. Okay. Whoops. Boo-boo room. Baba room. Boo-boo. Baba. Boo-boo Baba. Okay, so we need to... Interesting. Okay, so we need to change the sprite later on. I'm stupid. We'll just double this statement. Alright, we'll make it and, so it's nicer. There we go. Maybe. Ouch! Oh, well, thank you, hero.
Bits equals money, money equals good, so bits equals good.
That's fair. Boo-boo room. Still boo-boo. Still boo-boo. Baba room. Baba room. And they should always be Baba room. They're always Baba room. And then boo-boo room. Baba room. And then Baba room. Oh, I tried to call it. Oh, but there's a key! Oh, I want the key. Yes! I am so rich. Wow, thank you, rabbit. Yippee! So then now, if we play as Baba, we should get a BB room. Oh! Look at the BB room. It's the BB room as Baba in the boo-boo. Oh! Eat my... Why are you giving me so much money? I don't even get most of the money. It all goes to Twitch. But thank you, hero. I do appreciate it. BB room purple. This is true. And then if we play as Boo-Boo, the Boo-Boo room should be BB. Hopefully this makes sense. Yay! Look at that. Look at that. I just need to change the text, but still. Awesome. Cool. Okay. So, there's that situated. We just also need... Okay, we're gonna do something similar like this. Okay, so if shop type is normal, I guess we don't really need to do anything. And then otherwise we need to choose our item pool. So we will do probably up here. Item pool equals -1. Here we will do item pool is equal to... Oh, what did it just do? There we go. I like spaced it weird. Yeah, it will be on Steam. I need to make a demo still too. Otherwise, the item pool is going to be... How do I get the artifact pool? What is that? Oh, just global.artifacts. Okay. That out of there. Okay, so now Boo Boo only sells artifacts. Ouch! Bobo's
If I
Big Tower is
search
the
for
second?
Bobo's Big Tower is the second one on the list.
Yay! What's the first one? Okay, let's see a Boo Boo store. Oh, right. I needed to actually use the thing. Okay. Item pool. Sick. Okay. Cool. What is the first one? Yeah, good question. Oh, Boo Boo! Ah, look at that. Boo Boo's got a big store now. Look at these. Wow. These are pretty cool. It is Bobo's Fun Zone. You don't need to donate for every message. I'm gonna read it. I like this. You can get 100 coins for 101 coins. Should I make it 99? No, I'll make it 101. That's funny. Yeah, these are pretty good ones. I need to work on the prices. Like, this is really cheap. That's cheaper than most items. Big door. Ladder super cheap? These are very cheap. Okay. Yeah, that will need balanced. We also need to do some writing, it seems. And then let's see it as Boo Boo, because why not? Yippee! Rubby Duck! Honk! Mini ladder. Package. Some good stuff here. I like this. The crown is 40. Yeah, okay. That's ridiculous. Hello. You got flare hair for 75 cents? Awesome. Good job. Good job. So we need to change the text. We'll base it off sprite index, will be easier. If sprite index is equal to Baba down, do this. Kind of a weird way to do it, but that's fine. Else if sprite index is equal to BB down. Oh, BB still just called car. I need to rename that. AC is currently failed. No.
I do some trolling like 5,423,452,367 section, for example.
Section. That's what that's called. Section. That's a good symbol. You don't need to do any trolling. You're fine. How many bits have you given me? Okay. Okay, so then again, we'll do this. I need to really redo this logic. I very much made this just to test it and haven't had a reason to go back and make sure it's all good. So now is that time. So, okay, we're within first spawn. So we can instead, let's do function, what do we call this? Run shop dialog? 820. Where'd the 20 come from? Well, thank you, but geez. Okay, and so we'll leave that there. That's fine. Okay. I'm understanding. Else run shop dialog. That's what that'll be, and then the rest of this will all go away. So let's do... Oh wait, we need to do... Ah, I understand. Okay. So, if there's no items, you will be a fish. How do I want to do this? What's the Pentagon next to my name mean? Where? Oh, OP Hero. Probably they got like a bits badge. Yeah, because they cheered a bunch. Fishy! Oh, they're only from this month? Oh.
Ask where the 20 came
Well, thank
from.
you.
The statistics are only from this month.
Okay, how do I undo this? Oh! Thank you, Hugo, for the sub. I don't know why I didn't make a noise, but we are hype training, whatever that means. Enjoy your emotes and lack of ads and other perks Twitch gives you. I don't remember, but you can see them all below the stream. Okay, so we'll do if first spawn, run this, else run this. So in first spawn, I'll figure this all out later. We will do switch for sprite index, case, Baba down. Yeah, I may as well. It'll look nicer. Oh yeah, we do have multiple things to do anyways. So, oh, that's not first spawn. So first spawn as Baba, we want Baba text. What is wrong with you guys? Thank you for the sub, OP Hero. I appreciate it. Oh, and we need break. I can't forget that. This looks sloppy, but I don't really know a better way to do it. But thank you guys very much. If it character down, do the BB ones. And then we can just kind of do this here. Var dialogue equals -1. And then it'll just choose randomly between these. Tried to send bits, I don't think it worked. Don't worry, you don't need to send me anything. It's fine, thank you though. I do appreciate it. And then this will be Bobo down. I'll need to rename all these because alt, I should have had a better naming scheme. Thank you, Hugo. Okay, so then otherwise I will copy this. Whoops. And paste it in here. Oh, Vine Boom. It will be shop return. You're a sub? You are a sub. Thank you. And then these can be this for now. And our best case scenario is nothing changes. Okay. Oh, why is it doing it here? Okay, well, whatever. That makes it easier for me. Run shop dialogue. You are a subscriber. Ah, okay, I see. That's why I did this. So then more logic issues. Welcome, welcome. Hello. Do I feel like the stream's been half an hour yet? Because it's been more. It's been 40. That's why. Okay, if not, shop refreshes and item exists. Okay, hopefully this is right. Let's try it. Let's also give myself 1 trillion coins.
Oh man, I wanted to be your sub.
Okay. Oh, I have so much money. Okay, this appears to be fine. Okay, so if I buy all of your things and I leave, are you a sign? Oh, you have refreshed. Why have you refreshed? Why are you refreshing? Well, now I bought the dice. Oh,
B.
you're sending me so many bits. Jeez. Thank you. Okay, I'm confused. I need to redo my logic. If the shop does not refresh, and there's already items returned, otherwise destroy items. Why can I not think of this? So the shop does not refresh, like, unless you have the dice, so we'll ignore that. So essentially it's saying, if items exist, return. That makes sense. Otherwise, if shop does refresh, destroy, or destroy. I'm confused. Okay, I'm just gonna redo my logic. So, if global dot shop refreshes, instance, oops, oh no, that's right. Destroy obj item. What is this game going to be? Bobo's Big Tower. Okay, is that all it needs to be? There is a cheer emote. You also sent gold. Thank you for the gold ingots. Okay, let's see if this works. Now I can craft gold blocks. Okay, so let me just make sure. Ah. So there's an issue with the logic. Oh, there's so much pizza. Oh, there's so much pizza. Okay. Oops. Else return. We need an F. There we go.
I quote myself, shut up and eat my money.
I'm eating it. Okay, let's see if this works. Seems normal. Okay, they're the same items. That's good. And then if I buy them all and leave, are you a fish? No, you have restocked. Okay. So, I'm understanding. You meant shot, not shot. At this point, you're making typos on purpose just so you can do it again. Oh, let me close a sprite. I didn't realize I still had it open. Okay. So, I think I'm gonna make a sold out thing. Sold out equals false. And then on item, on purchase item, if not instance, or I guess if instance number obj item is less than or equal to 1.
They are accidents, except for this one less than.
Except for that one. Shopkeeper, we want sold out to be true. And sold out, okay. So then these are all together. Oops. I'll just make this a function as well. We'll do function spawn shop items. Whoops. If sold out, return. Otherwise, the rest of this is all going to be here. And then here we'll do spawn shop items. Okay, let's try this. I earned a hype chest. What is my hype chest? Oh, a button mash emote. I will share this. Wow. Choo choo. Wow, look at me go. I'm using Twitch. I don't know how Twitch works, but I have a button, so that's cool. Okay, you have your stuff. It is still there. It is still here. I buy all of your things, and I leave. I come back, and you are sold out. Oh, good job, Baba. Okay, this is much easier. Do you think the code was easy to learn? Yeah, code's super nice. Super good. Oh, but this sprite must color to the room color. Okay, I understand. A good thing to catch. So we need to get the sprite changed. What color would this be? Probably this one. Let's try that one. So let's go to sprites, entities, characters, signfish. It needs to be blue so we can use our shaders on it. Get rid of this, get rid of this. Then draw. Okay, I think we are colorizing. Let's try that. But yeah, code's super easy to learn, as long as you like care to learn it. Alright. Let's find the Bobo shop. Okay, this should be a pink sign. Awesome. Gone fishing. I need a Baba store, but the only one has a burger.
I always run out of bits and then I need to buy more. Twitch really should change that.
It should be
Because
free.
Should be free money.
I agree, it should be free. Okay, good. It's the same color. I chose the right one. Look at that! It's that easy. Wow! One more test. Hello! Pink sign. Wow! Now I need to make a fishing game in this universe because everyone goes fishing when they leave. That would be funny. Alright, this is much better logic, much easier to read, much nicer all around. Okay. Seems good, seems good. I stretch. Huh? So true. Okay, so let's do... We'll call this special shop chance. We'll make it 7. There we go. So now throughout the game, there's a 1 in 8 chance to get a special shop instead of a normal one. And then we need to write stuff for it. And some of the dialogue goes between people, but I think only if BB's the shopkeeper, which should be a guarantee. Okay, so if I open up my dialogue and subtract this, what is your problem here?
Will you ever host a community
Thank
event
you.
MC server?
I used to run a Minecraft server and it was horrible and caused a ton of drama and everyone hated it. So I don't think I'm gonna run it again just because it was so obnoxious to keep up with and I don't want to deal with other people's drama. Nope.
Or do I need to throw all my money at you?
Nope. What was I doing? Okay, I need to do shop. I'm gonna rename these so they're much easier to follow. I'm very surprised I didn't start out that way. Okay. Okay. So now we'll have to change these. The reason these are unproportionate is some are more common than others, is the thing. And then shop Baba return. Or was it return Baba? It was Baba return. Good. I like that better. Baba return. Then these will be shop BB. Boop. 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 I have won. I am the winner. Alright, so now those are nice. We need to change these to be BB return. All right. Whoops. Blink. Bam. Okay, those should be good. So, where's the return? These will all be BB return. This is much faster. Okay. And then these will be BB in general. All right. And then we need to write some new ones. So oh, there's so many to do. Okay. Does anyone know a faster way to make multiple row insertions? Because I would like to know. Oops, okay. Oh, there's so many. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 3, 4, 5. So we need 10. We don't need 10, but I'm going to start with 10. Perfect. Now we gotta change them all to Bobo. There's probably a way to like quick replace. That would be super nice. I'm gonna try it. Is there a... Oh, I don't know what I just did. Okay, whatever. Boo-booey, no, it's Boo-boo. There we go. Okay, perfect. So then we had Boo-boo down here. We'll copy Boo-boo's stuff. These will all be Boo-boo stuff. There is no dialogue branching. Can I make these smaller? I think these actually need to be that size. And then, let's see. What should Boo-boo say in the store when you reach Boo-boo's store? Got some rare trinkets for sale. Very cheap. They're not very cheap. Boo-boo is lying to you. They are very expensive. Honestly, that's a good one. What are some other first-time ones? I'd like some variation here. Some variation. Got some rare trinkets for sale, very cheap. Found some expensive stuff. Everything is
Funny
on
story,
sale.
I nuked a streamer's event server by accident. Live lol. His name is Winsweep. Hashtag not an ad. Hashtag stay at Miss Ty's stream.
Winsweep, I've heard that name. Okay. I think that's enough for now. I'll come back and write later. I'll just copy it a bunch. And then we need some return quotes. And these are... I don't know, I'll just start normal. We'll do... Come back with more money? No, that doesn't imply the way it could be misread. Highlight however many rows you want, insert the row command, and it will insert however many you have highlighted. What is the row command? Oh, you mean like if I do this and I insert row? Insert 5 rows above. Awesome, thank you. That's perfect. That will help me a lot. I thought there was something like that. I just couldn't figure out what it was. Okay, let's do... what do we wanna... What would Bobo say? If you were Bobo, what would you say if someone returns to your store? I would say, hello. I would say, welcome to my store. Okay, let's see. We want... Back already? I got plenty left. Bobo's very, like, cheery. I don't know if I like that one so much. Why are you shooting me? You're back. Welcome, welcome. What's something Bobo would say? One of these would sure help ya. And then honestly, those are fine for now. Okay. So this will be Bobo. I should probably copy that one. This will be B, C, whoops, C, D, and E. And I will make sure all this works out later and it's like written. Whoops. Oh, I got rid of the like taskbar thing. Okay, download. Let me update the dialog file. And then these will be Bobo. Actually, I only want one of each for now. And let me open it again. It is Bobo goes to E. And on both of them, they both go to E. Okay. Let's take these out. Bam. 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 Why are none of these lined up? Okay. That should work now. So let's see if we get proper dialogue communication. Let's wait for this to go away. Welcome in. plenty in stock. Okay, it's still Baba. Give me a Boo Boo store. Oh wait, we made it super rare, didn't we? Oh, here we go. Found some expensive stuff. Everything is on sale. Don't listen to Boo Boo. Howdy. One of these would sure help ya. That's true. Alright. And then if we play as Baba, we should get a BB store. Hey Baba. I brought some old gear. Okay. And then if we play as Boo Boo, good chances. Okay, it still does the BB return, or the BB store. So we will need to separate those. I'll probably do more writing in my own time off stream, because I'm sure that's not like a super fun thing to watch. But nice. We have a store. Boo Boo! Boo Boo Bunny. Oh, I do need to make Boo Boo's ears wiggle. That's something I can't miss. So let's do... Like that, maybe? There we go.
Can you join Super VC, please?
Super VC? I am streaming right now. Okay. Whoops, wrong one. Bam. How does this look? Not good. Got it. Is there anything to undo? Okay. That's what it's undoing. Save that. Let's see. How do I want the ears to wiggle? Well, it's really just the one. Maybe I can do that. Well, then it's just flashing. Maybe...
My mic broke, lol.
Your mic broke? No. Maybe like that. There we go. That kind of works, I think. Did it copyright? What? Oh, I didn't move it at all. Did I? Oh, I copied the wrong one. Wait, no I didn't. What? I'm so confused. Bam. What is happening with my phone? It's like freaking out. Okay. That's weird. I'll try this. Ads off now. Yay! Okay, that does not work. Let's do this, this, this. Something like that, maybe? Might be too floppy. Whoops. I don't know, this might be too floppy. Can reply? What do you mean? Oh, your birthday's coming up? What should you get? You should get Minecraft. Oh, this looks horrible. Okay, I'm restarting. Let's take this one out. Mystic Hat Plus, you should. Let's do something like this, maybe? Put some depth in it. And then back here, do the bunny. Whoops, that might be a little more. Interesting. No, that's too floppy. Wow, you have a lot of points. Maybe that's better? Maybe? No. Okay. This is a weird one. Okay, let's do... Is just this good? Maybe I've been overthinking it. Kind of. Kind of good. What if I just try this? What game is this going to be inspired by? I don't think it's necessarily inspired by anything. Okay, it's like almost there. This bit's a little wonky here. If I cover this up, it looks fine. I mean, I can just fill it in, I guess. Yeah, that works. There we go. Wacky bunny ears. Sure, good enough. And then we need Bobo left. Bobo left. Whoops. Bobo left. Bobo left. Or right, whatever. That one wiggles. This one wiggles. Got it. Okay. Whoops. Bam. Done. Let's try out some Bobo. That looks fine. That's good enough. It don't matter. It's good enough. Wow.
It makes me sad.
Opie Hero, please read the stream rules. I don't want to time you out or ban you.
Streamer has a 33 viewers big sad.
You cannot get the plushes anymore. They were made to order. They were a one-time thing. I wish they could be a permanent thing, but that is not how merch works, unfortunately. At this level. Wow. Oh, interesting. So I guess only because I'm debugging. This situation would never pop up in gameplay. There can't be a key in here. Okay. That's funny though. It'd be funny if you could get a key in here. Wow. Gone. Gone forever. Wow. You know, do I like the pink shoes? Let me see. Did I make this? I did make this. We are making it. Do I like white shoes? What do you guys think? Do you like pink shoes with highlights or white shoes? Which one do you guys prefer? Pink highlights? Yeah, I think I do too. It just feels a little basic that every character has that same shoe pattern, but I mean, it looks good. Why does rule exist? What is its purpose? What, the rule of not commenting on a streamer's view count? Because it's rude, and it completely ruins my, like, flow. Like, I'm just trying to entertain, and if you say, why is no one listening to you be entertaining? That's not gonna be fun for me. Please do not do that for any streamer. I will drink water. Yummy. The waterer. For simplicity, then white, else pink, you would say? Yeah, well, I don't think it's necessarily simplicity. I don't want them all to have the same shoes, but I mean, it looks good. It's fine. Okay. So there's that. I also want there to be a guaranteed chance for a Bobo store. Thank you, OP Hero.
I'm sorry, I really like your stream.
Let's do...
I won't do it again.
Probably by show map. Global dot... No, I think it's fine. I was gonna try to limit it to only have one per run, but I guess that's not a bad thing. But I do want to be able to force it on certain parts. The line between repetitiveness and consistency is blurred. That's fair. Yeah, I would like there to be like a guarantee. Oh, maybe floor 12 here is a guarantee. Should I just hard code it? I'll just hard code it. Do the first spawn and random chance or... Oh, I can't double type the parentheses. Or global dot floor color is equal to color map dot red. Okay, so if you're on a red floor, it will always be the special store. And the red floors are... Where'd they go? The red floors are here on 12. And that's it. There's also this boss room, but you can't get a store in the boss room. So you have a guaranteed special one at floor 12. And then maybe we could do one on floor 6 too. That would be nice. Might be a bit early. You know what? Sure, let's do floor 6, which is yellow. Or global.floor color is equal to color map dot yellow. And then now it seems like we're going to need to go to a better format here. Let's do it like this probably. Okay, so now if first spawn and not iRandom range or floor color is red or floor color is yellow, make the shop special. That makes sense. Honk honk. Let's see. Why is this tabbed out? GameMaker has really horrible syntax management. This new editor I'm using is like leagues better than it was, but it's still nowhere even close to like any other coding thing I've ever used. Which is unfortunate because it kind of makes me want to try switching to Godot, but I do have so much GameMaker experience. I don't know, it's fine. But okay, there's that. Let's do... I can mark off different shopkeeper. I still have some Bobo text. I'll write that down to do later. What else we can do? Audio. I can make some music. I have a lot more text to do. I love Godot. It's really fun to use. I don't know, it's really unintuitive to me, but I guess because I've pretty much only used GameMaker, and I hate Unity. Professionally on Scratch? How do you code professionally on Scratch? What does that mean? That's cool. It, nice. Oh yeah, game modifiers. This is something I need to do. Although I don't particularly want to. So, what the idea is... I'll just, mute the song. What the idea is after you pick the character, there's going to be a bunch of modifiers you can enable, kind of like Vampire Survivors. So you can do like an endless mode, you can do like a ticking timer mode, like a bunch of different ones you can enable. And that just means I have to make UI, and I don't want to make UI. I hate making UI. But I do like this one. This took a lot of time though. This took like a whole day to make this. This little rotating, like carousel menu, whatever they call it. But it looks so nice. Look at it go. Meow. Meow. We could also work on more characters too. I just don't know what their starting items would be. Menu's mesmerizing, thank you. I really like the characters. I think Bobo's hair is a little basic, but like that's fine. Not professionally, but you were quite good. Ah, nice. Roblox, I haven't got much into Roblox. I need to. It's probably an easy way to make money. Bobo, baby, Bobo, baby, Baba. Baba definitely starts with the most, but he is the shopkeeper, so that makes sense. He also only has physicals. Bobo only has magic. Bebe only has stuff that's sideways or hits behind her. Bobo has no upgrade whatsoever. And BB has everything available. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is, see these gems currency on the left, where I have 10,000 coins and 0 gems? I'm thinking I'm gonna have the gems be a way to revive yourself. Like if you die, you can spend 10 gems to like respawn or something. I'm still not sure about that. Originally, they were going to be how you unlock other characters, but I think doing like achievements to unlock characters is much more fun than just, you know, buying them. And so I'm not really sure what to do with the gems. Because that was the original intention. I do like the gems. I think it's cool to get like a prize every time you beat a boss. Oh, burgers! Oh, thank you so much. It's where you downloaded Godot on your phone once and was overwhelmed. Is Godot on mobile? How does that work? A few small mobile games don't have a PC. That's fair. Interesting. So what can I use my gems for? Maybe the gems are the currency for the Bobo shop? Maybe that's what we do? But I'm still not sure. I do like it just being a more expensive shop, but... I'm not sure. Let me also undebug. Let's go back to 1 and -1. So we are back to a normal game. How do I want to use the gems? How do I want to use the gems? Because I can do a respawn, but then it's more of a roguelite, which is something I was talking to my friends about yesterday. Which means I need to like redo some genre stuff, but also is it really that big of a deal? Thank you, Tyke. I appreciate that. Ascension? What do you mean? How do I want to use the gems? What are the gems gonna do? The crystal gems. Okay, we can close level generator. We can close shopkeeper. And I guess we can close tower data. We've done all that. That's all checked off. An encyclopedia was recommended so that you can actually see what every item does. But that's gonna suck. I guess we'll start on the menu. So let's go to room. We'll duplicate character menu. We'll do room modifier menu. This just has character. Perma small upgrades. So that's the thing with roguelikes, every single run should be based just off the run. And with roguelite, that means you can affect different runs based on stuff you've done in the past. And roguelikes sell better, and it's what the game is like advertised as. So introducing small perma upgrades changes the genre of the game and potentially makes it sell less. So that's the issue, yeah. You said everything except for ascension points and ascension upgrades, which give perks. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. That makes sense. Usually like plus stamina. Yeah, that's the issue. Maybe I could use the gems as a way to unlock these modifiers, but easy mode? I don't know if there'll be an easy one. You can get items that make it easy mode. What if they don't do anything? What if they're just like a cool tracker of how many things you have? Herm. I'm thunkin'. Okay, well, let's start with our new menu object. This is gonna be obj modifier menu. And we'll put it here. We need a create event. We need a draw GUI event. Okay, so we're gonna make modifiers as an array. I'm just gonna hard code it for now, just to get it working, and then we can clean it up and make it perfect after. We want to do I guess array push modifiers, and we'll do, what are my different ones? Endless mode? Sure. Different difficulties, such as the ability to find certain items. I did think about unlocking different items that way, but I don't know, everything just unlocking through like doing like a unique challenge is fun, but then I also need to make unique challenges. So I'm thinking maybe you can just unlock the modifiers with gems. I think that's how I'll do it. Okay, so instead of endless mode, we'll do minimum HP mode, and then in this one that'll be less turns mode, and they can all do things. Ouch! Easy mode that turns it into a roguelite? That's funny.
Easy mode, what turns it into a rouge light?
You don't remember what purlin noise is? It's pretty cool. It's like a type of noise generation for like how to like scramble something. It's pretty neat. I'm trying to think. I don't really know how to describe it. It's like based off other parts of itself, if I remember correctly. It's a fun one. Oh, and then like timer mode. Sure. So then we'll do function draw list, I guess. We can just input list. I'll limit strings to make it more obvious. Okay, so var, we'll do string height equals sprite get height SPR font. We also need scale and coordinates. SPR font main, there we go. Times scale, so that is the height of the string there. Then we will do draw set h align center, draw set, I guess that's the one that really matters. Or no, we should still do v align to be safe. Set v align, we'll do top. And then at the end here, draw set h align fa left, reset it back. In the middle here, we'll do var size equals array length strings. That is how many strings we have. We'll do a for loop. Start at 0, less than size, increment. So then for each one, we will draw. Okay, draw text transformed. It will be at x. We'll make a new y here. New y equals y plus string height times I. New y, and then this will be strings I. Scale 0. Okay, so then here we will draw a list with strings. Oh, sorry, not strings. Modifiers. Hello, welcome. Modifiers. X, we need the middle of the screen. So, how did I do this before? I'm just going to copy it. Ah, right, I have functions for that. Okay. Perfect. I was hoping I did. X mid, y full times 0.2. Sure, we can start it there. Scale of like 5. Okay. So then if we make, where is it? Modifier menu, we need modifier room. That'll be our first room. Let's try it. Okay, kind of works. I think it's weird because we're skipping the camera thing. Okay, I also want them left aligned actually, so I've changed my mind. I'll make sure they're reset. And first we will draw this. And I forgot the space. Okay, this might look interesting. Okay, so here we're drawing everything, and then I need a cursor to like check and enable stuff. How we want to do that? Oh, this should probably inherit from a menu, actually. That would be nicer. Yeah, that makes sense. But also, would it look nice if we had what kind of looks like a Minecraft inventory with like pictures, and you move a cursor around the pictures and can turn stuff on and off, and like the highlight change? That might look easier or look better. What's the lore of the game? Bobo's making a giant tower to reach heaven and take it over and become God, and he is evil, and you must stop him. And that is the lore. That is the base story lore. Bad Bobo, so true. I think I do like the other one better. Showing like a little grid you can move between. Okay. So in that case, how we want to do this? I'm gonna need to draw icons for everything, but that's fine. And then how do I want to do the GUI thing? I'm probably gonna have to watch some tutorials to finish this. So I will come back to this. Anything else we can do real quick? I will come back to the modifier room, but we have something started and we can get there eventually. It is just not something I've done yet before, so I'll have to look up the best way to do it. Really running out of stuff. I can do more items. Hello. Welcome. Okay, I can add some more items. Have I used the anvil? I have not. Oh, but none of these are fun, you know? None of these are fun. Alright, I think I will save the items for next time. I'll go through and just make a bunch of items that all do new stuff, which will be fun. And then I'll hopefully have the modifier menu made by then. I don't know when my next stream is. But I do need to get going because I am going bowling. So I have to end stream for that. So let's see who we can raid. Thank you guys for hanging out. It's been fun. Oh, we could raid Foxen. Foxen's working on a game. Let's go raid Foxen. Yeah. Thanks for hanging out, guys. It's been fun. Foxen's working on a game called Whiskerwood Vale. I did completely forget I'm supposed to go bowling, so I need to end my stream. But thank you guys for hanging out. I'll see you next time. We've Bobo'd. Yay! Yippee!